Welcome to Diva Railway Station. This station is managed by the Central Railway Zone of Indian Railways. The station has a total number of 8 platforms and 3 foot-over bridges. Foot-over bridge 1 has stairs to all the platforms. Foot-over bridge 2 has stairs at all platforms and escalators present at platforms 1, 2, 3 and 4. Foot-over bridge 3 has stairs at all the platforms and an escalator present at the main entry exit from platform 1 side of the station. The main entrance hall has ticket counters, a Divyang ticket counter and the booking office from the west side entrance. There is a GRP office and a Deputy Station Superintendent's office near the main hall. The east side entrance of the station has the booking office, ticket counters and Divyang ticket counters available. There are Divyang toilets present at platform 1. Water booths and toilet facilities are available at all platforms. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate a person using a wheelchair to board the train.
You can ask this at the enquiry or station master office.
Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premise and facilities are installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective yellow paint at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank India and executed by Anuprayaas and Enable India.